Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear students, today we are going to solve the word problem based on speed, time and work from the practice set 7.3, the chapter variation. Practice set 7.3, second example. If 15 workers can build the wall in 48 hours, how many workers will be required to do the same work in 30 hours? So, this example is based on inverse variation. The let let number of workers let number of workers be x and time taken to build the wall be y. Here number of workers x varies inversely to the time taken to build the wall. So x varies inversely to 1, that is why. Now if x is equal to, that is number of workers are 15, then time taken to build that wall y is equal to 48 hours. Now here x varies inversely to y, so therefore x into y is equal to k is equation of variation of variation. Therefore put x is equal to 15 and y is equal to 48. Therefore 15 multiplied by 48 is equal to k. Therefore 15 into 48 is equal to 15 into 48 is 720, which is equal to k. So k is equal to, therefore k is equal to 720 is constant of variation. Now the same work is there to build a wall. Time required is 30 hours. We have to find number of workers we have to find, and time taken to build that wall is 30 hours. Therefore, now our x into y is equal to k is equation of variation. Therefore, x into y, k is equal to 720. Therefore, x into 30 is equal to 720. Put y is equal to 30. Therefore, x is equal to 720 upon 30. 0 0 cancel. 3 1 are 3 2 are 6. 3 4 are 24 workers will build the wall in 30 hours. Example, 120 bags of half liter of milk can be filled by machine within 3 minutes. Then find the time taken to fill such 1800 bags. Now if you see here, the 120 bags can be filled in 3 minutes. Now if the bags are increasing, are increasing here 1800, so time is also going to increase. So both the quantities are increasing here. So this example is based on direct variation. So let us assume, let x be number of bags, and y be time taken to fill the milk bag. Now the example is based on it is direct variation. The example is based on direct variation. Therefore, x varies directly to y. Therefore, x upon y is equal to k is equation of variation. Now put 120 bags, x is equal to, put x is equal to 120 and y is equal to 3 minutes. 120 bags can be filled in 3 minutes. Therefore, the constant of variation 120 upon 3 is equal to k. 3 ones are 3 fours are 12, 0. So 40 is equal to k. So constant k is equal to 40. K is equal to 40 is constant of variation. Is constant of direct variation here. Direct variation. Now, find the time taken to fill such 180 bags. Now here, time we have to find the bags, number of bags, x is equal to 1800 bags, and time taken we have to find, that is y equal to, we have to find time taken. So our equation of variation is x upon y is equal to k. Therefore, here k we have to take as k equal to 40. Now put x is equal to 1800 upon y we have to find, and k is equal to 40. Therefore, y is equal to 1800 upon 40. 0 0 cancel. 4 1s are 4 4s are 16. 2 4 5s are 45. So y is equal to 45 minutes. Y is equal to 45 minutes will be required to fill. So time taken to fill 1800 bags is 45 minutes. Fourth example. A car with a speed of 60 km per hour takes 8 hours to travel some distance. What should be increase in the speed if the same distance is to be covered in 7.5 hours? Same distance is to be covered in 7.5 hours. So now let us assume, let speed of car be x kilometer per hour and time taken to travel distance be y hours. Now, the example based on time and speed are on inverse variation. So here this example is, it is an inverse variation between speed and time. If speed will increase, time is going to decrease. So one quantity is increasing, other is decreasing. Such type of variations are called. Now, x varies inversely to 1 upon y. Therefore, x into y is equal to k is equation of variation. Now put x is equal to, put speed of the car is 60 and time taken to cover certain distance is 8 hours. Therefore, 60 into 8 is equal to k. Therefore, 6 8s are 48. 480 is, k is equal to 480 is constant of variation. Constant of variation. Now, if y is equal to, time taken is 7.5 hours, which is equal to 7.5 hours, then we have to find x distance, the speed of the car to cover that distance, same distance. So therefore now we are having the equation of variation x into y is equal to k. Now here k is equal to 480, which we have find 480 we have to take. Therefore we have to find into y 7.5 is equal to 480. Therefore x is equal to 480 upon 7.5. Divide 480 divided by 7.5. Therefore, x is equal to 64 km per hour is the speed of the car. Now, here there is increase in the speed. Increase in speed of car is equal to 64 minus previous speed was 60, which is equal to 4 km per hour. So, increase in the speed of the car, the speed of the car should be increased by 4 km per hour to cover that same distance.